So these nanomaterials can be of two types. One is non-carbon nanomaterial, and we have already discussed few of them which are non-carbon, whereas another one is called carbon nanomaterial. So non-carbon and carbon. There has been many non-carbon. We talked about it, like silver nanocrystal. Right. Silver nanocrystal. And we talked about something called aluminum silicate. The silver nanocrystal is bactericidal. It kills bacteria. So I'll write it here. So it is something which can kill bacteria. Whereas aluminum silicate, that can be used to make a scratch resistance surface, right? A scratch resistance. So I mentioned about aluminum silicate that on a glass, mobile phone, even in spectacles, we have this kind of thing which can make the surface scratch resistance. Then we have something called titanium dioxide. I'm writing few of them, that is important. And titanium dioxide can give you property of UV resistance. Or in zinc oxide also. Zinc oxide. So titanium oxide and zinc oxide both can give you UV resistance. One more we can write, I'll write it here. Platinum nanoparticle. That can be catalyst in fuel cell. What is fuel cell? We are going to talk about today only. So these are the few nanomaterials which are not carbon based. They are non-carbon, but they are being used in a different sector, right? So silver nanocrystal, aluminum silicate, titanium dioxide, zinc oxide, platinum nanoparticle. Right. Sometimes it might give an impression that these are the future, these are the most important one, but it is not like that. Rather, carbon nanomaterial is something which is very important. There we have something called graphene. You might have heard the name. Then we have carbon nanotube. Carbon nanotube. And then we have something called fullerene. Fullerene. Yes, please. So we'll focus over here. I mean, that is futuristic because it has got a lot of application, and we'll look into that. Many of you must be knowing about this graphene, CNT, and fullerene because these are pure form of carbon, right? There is a lot of variation in this. You have different, I mean, the list is never ending. It's a lot and lot of application coming up. But in carbon nanomaterial, which are futuristic material, nowadays we are using in a variety of things. Volume thoda. Right. So this material will be used in variety of ways, right? So carbon allotropes you might have come across, right? So these are the pure carbon, nothing else.